Hey y'all, Saturday morning, did you watch your cartoons today? Well, if not, check this one out, because it's got a little to do with today. It's not really a Saturday morning cartoon, but I'll get this ready to open. Y'all watch a minute.
I was just offering this whelp a chance to serve our cause and spare his people a gruesome yet delightful massacre.
Rock! Rock!
Yeah, it was already ready to open. How about that? Well, it was animated, it was a cartoon, and it's Blizzard. It relates. Gotta fill the time somehow, because I don't know, this might take a minute. There's a lot of cards here. Well, I used to play World of Warcraft. I played it for 10 years, about 8 freaking hours a day. So that was not good, so I quit. And no, I'm not going to start back. But I did find these interesting. I always liked the art, and I still played Diablo a little bit here and there. And they also have Hearthstone and Heroes of the Storm included in this collection. And I'll tell you what, I was looking at the checklist, and that's what killed it. I had to get some. You can get mini cards, wooden cards, foil cards, parallels numbered 1 to 1 gold, numbered to 5, numbered to 25, numbered to 50, numbered to 100. You can get, did I say wooden cards? Rip cards. I'm pretty sure there's acetate cards. There's sketch cards, sketch autograph cards by the artists. 1 of 1 autograph sketch cards. The checklist is just unreal. It's like everything in the book that you can do with a card. So I just had to see it. And I heard it was a lot of fun. So let's see what we got. And since I don't open hockey, I haven't opened Upper Deck in a long time. Okay, I don't know. I guess this tells you what it is. What is that, Hearthstone? No, that's Hearthstone. That's Heroes of the Storm. Abathur. Yeah, okay, it tells you on the back. Let's see if I can find a good place where there's no glare. There's your Hearthstone. I played that a little bit. Just the computer version. I did buy some of the cards though. Yeah. Hey, it's one of them Pandarian guys. Man. Lich King to me, well, either Burning Crusade or Lich King. Okay, here's one of these cube cards. Check this out. You punch it out. You collect all the ones, I guess, that go together, and you build your own, what is it, Horadric cube. So, like in a Diablo, this is a Diablo insert. The cubes you pick up in the game. That's pretty neat. Wow. And here's a red parallel. the name. Dark Templar Nerism. StarCraft. Oh, I forgot about StarCraft. I played that a little bit. But I was too busy with, there's another StarCraft Marine. Those must be like the commons. And here we got Warcraft. And I'm sure some people know exactly where this guy's from. Kargas Blade Fist. Looks familiar. I've probably killed him 100 times, but yeah. Doesn't tell you what expansion or anything. Mal'Ganis, that sounds familiar too. What is that from? The Twisting Nether? Cataclysm. Or, yeah, that was Cataclysm, right? Wow, I'm trying to remember. Okay, focus. Oh, Uther Lightbringer. Ooh. There you go. We got, the focus drives me crazy on this phone. Zenyatta. It must be, yeah, that's StarCraft. And hey, I remember that guy, Velan, World of Warcraft. I think that was, I don't know. I was gonna say Burning Crusade, but I really don't know. The Burning Legion, so yeah. And that's Pandaria, Lily. Remember that from one of the daily quests, maybe? No, Heroes of the Storm. I swear that character is in Warcraft. Red Parallel. Heroes of the Storm, Lunera. Got a Dark Wanderer from Diablo. Killed 1 million of them suckers, huh? And there's Kurzul. However you say it. Kurzul. Deathwing. Oh yeah, killed Deathwing many, many times. That was pretty cool. Raid right there. I like that card. I'm ready to see a foil or a wooden card. Or I hope the Horadric Cube isn't my one insert. I didn't even look on the box, but I just know there's not good odds for most of them. Yeah. Well, that looks like, hold on a minute. Bastion, that's StarCraft, maybe. Overwatch, there you go. The Lost Vikings, that's one of their original games that Blizzard did. Or I think you can go to their website and play it for free. I'm not sure about that. I seem to recall that they added it to the servers or something. Overwatch again, yeah. Diablo. Oh, that's a nice one. Isn't that the cover of Diablo 3, maybe? Lilith. The Horde. For the Horde. Tyrael. He resurrected me 1 million times. Stalker. StarCraft. Okay, never played that much. Dennis Trollbane. Warcraft. And Diablo. and Diablo. Yeah, these are pretty cool cards. But I want to see the inserts. They look so awesome. Gotta buy a hobby box, I bet, if you really want to see something good. Ain't that a shame? I think the hobby boxes are hundreds of dollars, I'm sure. Blackthorn, that was one of their other arcade style games, pre-modern era computer games. The old days, Alexstrasza, or Straza, however you say it. I think I saw her at BlizzCon one year. Or every year, maybe. Hearthstone. Oh, cool. You rating? Yeah. Bronze beard. Zealot. Ledric. Lich. And Deckard Cain. Seem to remember him. Wasn't he your guide or something like that in Diablo? Or your store guy or something. Ariana Starseeker. Man, that's some cool art. That's straight out of Burning Crusade right there. I mean, I know it's Hearthstone, but the art style. Rengar. Doomfist. Overwatch. We got Thrall. Now, it's got to be a good card right there. Parallel of Thrall. Red parallel. Card number 82. Or how many? Oh yeah, 200 is a set. StarCraft. Diablo. And this is a sketch. Well, not a sketch, but not a screen cap or anything. I guess a lot of them are. The Butcher. Killed him millions of times. Oh, there's a black and white. Gromish, yeah, Hellscream, of course. That's cool. Two more packs, man. Tell me that's the only insert I'm gonna get? Wow. I guess there's no guarantee of anything. I see Thrall on the back. Killed Jaden. They are nice and glossy. Very good looking cards. If you're holding one in your hand, they feel great. Rock and Roll Racing. I think that was their very first game. You have to look it up, but I'm pretty sure that was the very first game Blizzard ever released to the public. Ooh. Yeah. In the Whisper Wind. Hearth Song. Okay. Saloon got a saloon. Oh, StarCraft. Cool. Diablo, Mephisto, of course. That was a tough battle. Thrall. That's got to be a good card. I need a parallel of that one. Final pack. Cross your fingers. It's not too good to me. It's a Gara. Here is the Storm. Jana Proud Moore. Warcraft and Hearthstone, of course. Junkrat. StarCraft Parallel. SCV. Really cool artwork. Dark Spear. Asmodin. Oh yeah, okay. I see I remember the fight. Varian Rin. Yeah, and an adept. Man, all those cool inserts you could get. And I got one piece of the cube. Yeah, I don't think I want to go through that again. Well, I was hoping for something better, guys, but the artwork is awesome. Definitely brings back memories of playing the games. But don't get me started. Well, hope y'all enjoyed that. And get back to your Saturday. You got a Super Bowl tomorrow. And let me know if you're going to buy any of the Blizzard Legacy collection. Or did you? And have you got anything cool? I'd love to see something better than a Hordadric cube.